Naglayang na giguhitin niyo. Wala man akong talentong ganyan. Buti na lang. Nakuha sa panalangin. Thank you, Lord. Talagang ang bagong henerasyon na ikon. Pinagpapala ng Panginoon. Kahit saan ang gulo. Sa sports. Sa pagguhit, sa school. The best. Ha? Yung, kitang-kita naman, oh. Ang galing gumuhit. Nice.
She's talented. Ayan, I can tell. Look at that. Ito yung drawing niya, guys, oh.
Know what I'm making?
What is that?
For mommy's birthday, remember you buy her the painting, the Jeremiah 29:11?
You gonna put it?
Yeah.
Wow, I like it. Guys, surprise, ha?
Yeah.
Wow. Gift daw niya sa mami niya. Yeah, look at that. Nagpintas niya, oh. She's talented, ha? Ayan, oh. Ganda, oh. Okay. Try to draw.
I'm gonna try it again next time. Iman, can you put a movie?
Multi-kwan siya. Marunong siya sa kwan, eh. Sa art, marunong din sa hobby ng mga tela. Crochet daw yung ginagawa niya. See, look at that. Marunong nga siya, oh. Parang yung kwan siya. Running water, anong tawag dyan?
Waterfall?
Waterfall, yeah. Waterfall nga. She will surprise. Kukuha ako ng Sharpie. Bibili ako. What do you want? The thick Sharpie o yung
The regular Sharpie?
regular Sharpie? Yung pointy?
Yeah. Or not the thin one, like the regular one?
O the regular one?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Ito yung pinagkakabalan niya ngayon. Ang bilis niyang ginawa, oh. You just started?
Yeah.
Wow.
Or when you got home.
Naglenga giguhitin niyo. Wala man akong talentong ganyan. Buti na lang. Nakuha sa panalangin. Thank you, Lord. Talagang ang bagong henerasyon na ikwan. Pinagpapala ng Panginoon. Kahit saan ang gulo, sa sports, sa pagguhit, sa school, the best. Yung kitang-kita naman, oh. Ang galing gumuhit. Nice. I like it. Yan. Malapit na guys. Oh. Isang pagguhit. Ayan ha. Mukhang kahoy na oh. Tapos mayroon siyang dahon. Waterfalls. Ganda ng pagka-design. Ha? Nice. I like it. Wow, mukhang kahoy na guys oh. Ang ganda. The best. Look at that. Ha? Ayos. Ano to? Rock?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Which is the flying fish?
What?
You can add fish.
Fish?
My boy. Ha? Ito yung drawing ni Iman, oh. Wow. Nice. I like it. That's a beginner, guys, oh. Oh, unang draw niya pero may guhit na. Very nice. Ginagaya niya yung ate niya, eh, oh. Look at that. Ganun lang palang pagguhit, oh. Tap-tap lang, oh.
I'm gonna go draw it though.
Yeah?
I draw the exact same cute dog. I'm gonna show you the dog that I drawed.
Okay. Let me
Yeah,
see.
that I sketched this one. Was Lobat. But I can picture it. It's very detailed. Show one of your drawings.
Finish?
Yeah.
Wow.